While Excel is great for crunching numbers, sometimes you just need a clean, professional-looking document that can't be easily edited. Whether you're sending a profit and loss to a bank for a loan or sharing a balance sheet with a partner, the PDF format is the industry standard. Today, I'll show you how to generate a perfectly formatted PDF in QuickBooks Online. First, open the report you want to save. Go to Reports in the left side menu, and then click on Standard Report. For this tutorial, I am going to open Profit and Loss Statement. Once your report is open, make sure your dates and accounting method are set correctly. Remember, whatever you see on the screen right now is exactly what will appear on your PDF. Once your report is ready, look at the action icons in the top right header. Click on that Export icon, the little square with the arrow, to see your three choices. Click on Export to PDF. Instead of just downloading a file, QuickBooks will open a preview window. This is where you can make it look professional. If your report has a lot of columns, I highly recommend switching the orientation to landscape. Also, make sure Smart Page Breaks is turned on. This prevents QuickBooks from cutting a row of text in half across 2 pages. Once the layout looks perfect in the preview, click the green Save as PDF button at the bottom. The file will download to your computer, usually named after your business and the report type. You can now rename it and it's ready to be emailed or uploaded to a secure portal. If this quick guide helped you out, drop a like, subscribe, and consider hitting that join button to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.